Click on the balance option at the left side of the screen, which will take you to this page. So basically, to simplify the explanation, there are two different Stripe card products. First product is a card by Stripe Treasury, and the second one is card by Stripe Issuing. If you are using the card by Stripe Treasury, usually you will see the financial account like I have right here in the balance. And if you use a card by Stripe Issuing, usually the name of the financial account will be changed to the issuing balance. Either way, you want to add the money or add fund to this section in the balance so you can use your card. And to do that, hover your mouse over it on top of the add funds right here. Click on the method section and select how you want to transfer the money. I'm going to choose the manual transfer and tap on the continue button. Because I'm using the sandbox, the steps will be shortened up, but more or less you can insert the information needed and how much the money to transfer. And there you go. Now I can use the Stripe card with $21,000 in it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.